Well, I guess we're in the future now, guys, because they just added AI to the Fire TV sticks. Now, I know they've already had assistants for Google. They have the Alexa assistant for the Amazon devices as well, but they just took it a step further. They've got some really cool stuff that they've added to this in the latest update, so you'll want to update your Fire TV stick, and once you do that, you're going to see it. I'm going to show it to you in today's video. You're going to love it. It's just the tip of the iceberg. They're going to be adding all kinds of cool new features, and I'll make sure to bring those to you as soon as they are available. Let's get on the main TV. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you're probably wondering what I have in front of me right here. Now, this is my TV. This is my Fire Stick right here. So what is it? Well, it's a lion and a chimpanzee drinking wine, playing poker in the Mediterranean. Why is that on my Fire Stick? Because I asked for it. And this is part of the new AI that they've added to the Fire TV Sticks 4K Max Generation 2 and some of the TV models. And of course, they're going to be adding it to future models and maybe even some of those back models as well. So it's a cool feature and I want to share it with you. So you could ask for anything, and I mean anything. It's pretty crazy, really. And so I'm going to show you an example of that right now, and I'll just come up with something. I don't even know what I'm going to say right now, but to do this feature, all you have to do is go into your ambient experience. To do that, just hold down the home button on your remote control for a few seconds and go over to ambient experience. Once you're in ambient experience, oh, there's my daughter and my dog. I actually asked for AI to take a picture of my dog and my daughter and have them kiss, and guess what? There you go. You can even ask for abstract paintings or all kinds of stuff. So let me show you really quick how it works. So all you have to do is hold down your ALEXA button, which is the little blue button on your remote control, and ask for whatever you want. So let me just come up with something right now. Create an abstract painting of a giraffe and a monkey snorkeling with dolphins in the South Pacific. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's creating the art. And as you can see, this is AI art. So you could ask for any type of painting. You can ask for any type of pictures. So no matter what you're doing down wherever you're at, enjoying your TV, you could ask for that to fit your mood, whatever your mood is. So I just did something crazy so you could see, and it will give you a few different options. So as you can see here, I'll just show you the first one. So this would be I have the option to save this as a background. So I've got monkeys, I've got a giraffe, and they're underwater with dolphins in the South Pacific. So that was one of the options. You could even go here and see what else they did. This is a little bit more detailed in it. I don't see the monkey though, which is kind of sad, but it's just an example. So let me come up with something different. Let me just create an abstract art painting of a slide with lots of chimpanzees jumping in the air with teddy bears, while another table is playing poker with monkeys. I don't know. That was, I couldn't think of anything. I'm just coming up with the top of my head. I have no idea what it's going to come up. It's even going to recognize what I said, but it's pretty smart. And this is AI, and this is the future because artificial intelligence is coming. It's going to come to all facets of your streaming devices, not just the Fire TV stick. So here's the options I have right here. I'll just this is actually pretty good. So the first one, look at all these different animals. They're on slides, they're playing poker, they're jumping all over the place. That's what I asked for. Kind of fun, right? And then there's this one here where they're actually playing on the slide. I like that one. That one's kind of cute. So if you wanted to save any of these to your backgrounds, you're asking for different things, you're having some fun, you can just click Save to Collection, and it will actually save that to your collection. And then as you're going through your different artwork, just scrolling through, you can set one. I set mine for an hour for each one because I like art to be stable. I don't want it to keep constantly flipping, but you could do, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. You can switch almost like a screensaver. But I actually use the ambient experience for art. And so for me, I keep this up. So let's say I'm having a poker party and I thought this would be a fun picture to have on the wall. Since I have a fixed frame screen that is literally this thin to the wall, I can leave this up and this is what people see when they're playing poker. Pretty cool little feature. So again, this is just the beginning, the tip of the iceberg when it comes to artificial intelligence, and they did it in a way that made it kind of fun, where you could create your own art just by asking for something. Now, this is just an example of that. You can ask for all different kinds of paintings, like I said, and you can ask for famous paintings, and you can even tweak those famous paintings by asking for a picture of, I don't know, the Mona Lisa snorkeling or surfing. You could say a picture of Mona Lisa surfing. It would probably pull it. Well, let's do it. Create an art of the Mona Lisa surfing. I don't know if it's going to do it. Guys, kind of fun to try and experiment with your Fire TV stick. And I know the Google devices are coming out with something just like this very, very soon. So if you have another, like an Android box or a Google Chromecast type device, I would expect something like this soon. So I asked for the Mona Lisa surfing, and it's pretty interesting what they came up with. So they actually showed the Mona Lisa, and then there's some waves there, some kind of a weird abstract thing going on there. And here's another one with actual waves, a little bit easier to see. Just fun, guys. Have fun with it. This is what it's all about. This is the AI beginning. What's next? We'll find out, and I'll make sure to bring that video to you as well. That was pretty cool, right? I mean, if you have a fixed frame screen like I shared with you there, even just a really thin TV on your wall, it looks like true art, and you can change that art to whatever scene you want. You could be having game night, and you could have games down there. You could be having whatever it is, a sport night where you have all kinds of kids over after a soccer game. You could have whatever art you want on the wall, and you can change it. Guys, this is the future. The other day, I felt like, you know, the snow had melted, the sun's coming out, and I felt like having snow again. So I asked my TV for a window scene snowing, and guess what? I had a window on my wall with snow. I even did sound effects. Guys, it's just silly. I know it's like not that big of a deal to some people, but I enjoy stuff like this because I love fine art. I can't afford fine art, but now I can have it on my wall whenever I want, whatever I want, which is pretty darn cool. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down below. You want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Let me know that you liked this video. I appreciate it. I read all those comments, and I appreciate all you guys supporting our channel. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.